Hi, welcome again. What you are going to get from this course? The main thing you will be you will be able to manage your Facebook page with more efficient, more confident. You will be able to make your promotion for Facebook pages, for your posts, for your website, for your products, and you will learn about Facebook secrets at the advertising. Also, you will learn all about the part and the several ways of marketing by using Facebook. You will learn the basics of advertising and marketing with Facebook. Also, you will have the ability to post and promote your products and your services through the Facebook groups by using some programs with a legal way. Also, you will have the ability to work more confident, more professional by using a video live to make a traffic for your products and services to get more fans through Facebook. On the other hand, you will learn how to convert your Facebook fans into paying customers. Grow your Facebook business page with the right type of fans, and you will learn how to generate leads and sales from Facebook marketing. Then you will create a system to consistently generate hot leads from Facebook. Also, you will learn how to sell your products on Facebook without paying for Facebook ads. And you will learn how to increase your products, your product sales and profit organically on Facebook. And you will learn how to use the tagging feature to maximize your profits. And you will learn why the time is very important to your success. And you will know what type of pictures you must post in order to increase your sales. You will learn how to use keywords and descriptions to get more customers without any marketing. And you will learn the secret Facebook contest formula to boost your sales and increase your customers. And you will learn how to advertise on Facebook pages. And you will learn the secret to interacting with your fans after promotion. And you will learn the secret of building a cult following on Facebook. Finally, you will learn the magic word to getting more people buying your products. All of this you will learn at this course. And finally, you will be exactly more successful, more confident with Facebook advertising and promotion.